7 taking on a couple hits in one shot. Coming in high, and he chooses not to hit Fuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy's about to smash some things up. Agent Kane going. He's spinning. Uh-oh, Fuzzy's about. Oh, Fuzzy gets a good hit. Another big hit. Fuzzy's in trouble. Oh, Fuzzy's looking to see what kind of damage that card took. He's still holding it together. Take out his axle! Another one out. Double back up, there could be trouble! And we got it! Alright, Fuzzy, it's you in the Yerkowitz car. Here we go! Fuzzy's gonna make it in hard! Oh, Fuzzy lost a tire! Fuzzy lost a tire! Agent K2 going in hard, he's getting ready! And I believe that might do it for Fuzzy. Fuzzy's bleeding out the front. Hey, Fuzzy's done! Lucas Oil, he's done! He's pulling the pin. We're down to the Yerkowitz Auto Crushers number 7. 29 to H&K Towing. And the Lucas Oil, not looking good. We got one wheel peeled over here.
Locking in all wheel.
Lucas Oil's still on the clock. Number 7, the Yerkowitz Auto Crusher. They're still battling it out. Number 7 is just smoking runners. I'll push you, you push me. Let's see what happens, gentlemen. Oh, did he just puncture a tire? Are we done? Looks like H&K Towing still moving. Number 7 still looking to put on some more damage. He'll be coming in round about and when he comes, he'll be smashing corner when he goes. Here he goes. Ladies and gentlemen, there can only be one winner tonight. Is it going to be number 7 or number 29? Who's it going to be? '29's dragging a tire. He's down to 3 moving tires.
Let's go! Hammer up!
He doesn't care. He's just going to smash into him. H&K Towing, number 29. We got some rods knocking something. All right, number 7. What you got? What you got, number 7? He's sitting there waiting for you. Another big hit. The Yerkowitz Auto Crusher number 7 cars got a little smoke coming off, but still all 4 tires rotating. got a lot of debris on the track here tonight. Oh, did number 7 officially lose a tire? I can't quite tell from this angle. Does he?